Zenbook 17 Fold OLED leads the world with its amazing 17.3 inches foldable OLED (FOLED) touchscreen, one that folds down instantly to a compact 12.5 inches size, making it smaller than a sheet of photocopier paper for easy carrying. The color-accurate 2.5K slim bezel nano-edge Dolby Vision screen is also Pantone validated with TÜV Rheinland certified low blue light levels. Its ingenious multiple user modes are limited only by your imagination, and the detachable Asus Zenbook Bluetooth keyboard and touchpad turns it into a powerful fully featured laptop with a 12th Gen Intel Core processor and a stunning Harman Kardon certified quad-speaker Dolby Atmos audio system. The innovative camera system includes a 5-megapixels AI webcam, a HDIR camera for fast face login, and a color sensor for automatic brightness and color temperature control. Display. The groundbreaking Zenbook 17 Fold OLED gives you a laptop experience that's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Unfold it for a big and beautiful 17.3 inches foldable OLED nano-edge touchscreen that puts it in a class of its own.